Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what is arguably the best water play inflatable mat for babies, the Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Mat. Designed to nurture early development while keeping things fun and mess-free, this product is a favorite among parents for a reason. Let's dive in and explore why. Imagine a soft, vibrant underwater world beneath your baby's hands and tummy. That's exactly what the Infinno Tummy Time Mat delivers. Measuring a generous 26 by 20 inches, this mat offers ample space for your baby to stretch, wiggle, and explore. It's designed for infants and toddlers from 3 to 24 months, making it a perfect developmental tool throughout those critical early stages. Setting it up is as simple as it gets. All you need to do is fill the central section with water and inflate the outer ring with air. The result? A soft, bouncy surface that responds to your baby's movements, keeping them engaged and entertained. Just drain, deflate, fold it flat, and it slides right into your diaper bag or backpack. Truly travel-friendly. Now, let's talk about development. Tummy time is more than a trend. It's vital for building neck, back, and shoulder muscles. The Infinno mat encourages babies to lift their heads, reach for floating sea creatures, and interact with the vibrant colors and shapes inside. All this effort builds crucial motor skills, coordination, and even social engagement when you join in the fun. Safety is a top concern for every parent, and this mat doesn't disappoint. Made from durable, heavy-duty PVC that is both BPA-free and non-toxic, it's been rigorously tested to ensure it won't leak or tear. That means no soggy clothes and no worries. Just peace of mind while your little one plays. But what truly sets this mat apart is the attention to detail in its design. Inside, colorful sea animals float gently as your baby presses and moves around. These visual stimuli grab their attention and stimulate their senses, all while giving them an interactive playground that supports growth. This mat isn't just a toy, it's a learning tool, a muscle builder, and a sensory haven. Whether you're a new parent or looking for a thoughtful baby shower gift, the Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Mat hits the mark. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in more baby product reviews and recommendations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a critique. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test, analyze, and share the best picks for your growing family. See you next time.